Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Paul Camber and today I will be reviewing the Logitech G512 Carbon RGB mechanical keyboard. I have been using this keyboard for quite a while. Back when I first got it, I had high expectations for this keyboard, and sure enough, Logitech didn't disappoint. This beast of a keyboard is 132mm in height, 455mm in width, and 34mm in depth. This keyboard weighs in at approximately 1 kilogram and is black in color. The keyboard uses a 2.0 USB port. The keyboard contains multiple features, one of which is having a built-in 2.0 USB port which can help you out with your electronical needs such as charging your phone and connecting your headphones. Besides that, it has multiple key combinations that you can use to customize your keyboard without having to download their application or read the instruction manual. For instance, pressing the function and F5 keys will change the lighting of your keyboard as shown in the video. Now, let's get into the mechanics of the keyboard. This keyboard delivers a 1 millisecond report rate and features various of advanced Romer G tactile or Romer G linear mechanical switches. The Romer G tactile is the original profile, providing a discernible actuation point that you can feel, while the Romer G linear provides a completely smooth keystroke. The options of switches ranges from red, blue, brown, and many more. The Romer G is quieter and 25% faster than your standard mechanical switches. The switches have a lifetime of approximately 70 million key presses. This keyboard is crafted from incredibly strong and durable 5052 aluminum and magnesium alloy, which allows for both a minimal design and a beautiful aesthetic. The rigidity of the 5052 alloy also provides a sturdy, non-slip chassis that houses a full suite of features for an unbeatable gaming experience. The Logitech G512 comes in at a price of 380 ringgit or 450 ringgit if you're considering to get the palm rest, which is a pretty reasonable price considering the number of features and the materials used to design this keyboard. Plus, upon buying the keyboard, you'll be getting a 2-year warranty. I've been using this keyboard for about 3 months now and have never faced any problems. First and foremost, the size of the keyboard perfectly suits my hands. I would recommend this keyboard especially to people with big hands. Besides that, I've always known to be a rough gamer. In my past experiences, the keyboard I bought would have broke within the first 2 months of use. This keyboard, however, has not given me any issues no matter how hard or frequently I click on the keys. It is also very sturdy in my experience. It takes a lot more force than usual to move the keyboard around. Thanks to this keyboard, I rarely move my keyboard on accident now, which can cause issues when I'm typing for my assignments. Overall, I would say this is one of the most reasonable keyboards out there to fit your gaming needs. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments, and with that, goodbye and see you next time.